All I need is 116 to brag on my Lord, Romans 1:16. We talk about him daily cause he run this thing. Can I do it? Yeah. Woo. All I need is 1:16 to brag on my Lord, brag on my King. Matter of fact, give me a couple more and I do the same thing, do the same thing, do the same thing. Even on my best day I couldn't go by. Grace of the Lord that was grateful. For the sin that I committed should have paid that price, but I didn't cause the Father went and gave to Christ. What love is this? To send his own, to die for sin and take us home. Got me feeling good. Forget my feelings when you heard a story about the hero dying for the villain. Kill him with the fast flow, then I go slow. This one here is urgent. When it comes to God, everybody's got a version. Some are wearing turbans, others getting virgins. With all of these options, we know he's for certain. Cause ain't no other God like mine, you got to admit it. Yeah, I'm falling cause of sinning, yet his grace is sufficient. Beat the grave, said it's finished. Got them unsearchable riches and they deep. That's why